Abby Roberts, welcome. Welcome to Tier Lists. The new tier list, by the way.
We're on it.
I know you should be. This is the part of the show that if you haven't been in trouble yet, you'll get in trouble now.
Great, I can't wait.
So I have some stuff here for you that I think is kind of something that you could kind of say is something you're an expert in.
Yes.
All right, and we're going to get you to rank said things and see how annoyed people get. I have absolutely no idea really how this is going to work because I know nothing about this subject, so I am no help to you. So you are on your own. You can actually. We are doing. Right, are you ready? Here we go. Bloody hell, there's loads of them. Oh my god, there's glue on the table. We're doing makeup brands. Woo! Look at all of these. As you know, I love makeup. Do you reckon you'll recognise all of them?
Oh yeah. I'm preparing to lose all my branding.
Well, I suppose we could start off, with this one. I've never heard of About Face ever.
Okay.
But there you go.
I'll tell you a bit. About Face is Halsey's makeup brand.
Oh, is it actually?
Yeah, and actually slaps. Like, they just started. Oi! No! Halsey, we stand. So, yeah, they just came out with, 6 stuff pretty recently. I'm taking them on tour with me, so...
Oh, are you actually?
Yeah,
okay, so it's an essential. It's a tour essential.
To the top.
What about Fenty by Rihanna? Now, I do know that one, to be fair.
Fenty's really good as well. I feel like there was, a big moment when they came in with, the foundation shades and stuff and, really changed the industry or whatever. But...
Saved my life.
Yeah, I don't actually use too many of their products. I feel like they got a good lip gloss. You'd enjoy the lip gloss,
and that's
Alex.
what I need.
I know you love a good lip gloss. I'll put them pretty highly.
You put them in beta. Here we go. It's the thing. It's the thing. Everybody starts high, and then you're going to have to slowly.
I can't put them all in the top.
No.
So I have to.
You should do them in order of who pays the best.
Get me in trouble.
Charlotte Tilbury. What a fantastic name that is.
Charlotte Tilbury. We like Charlotte Tilbury as well. They're good for Hollywood glam type stuff. I know you know.
And as you're a
Hollywood,
Hollywood pop star, so
yeah, good for red carpets and that kind of stuff.
Is that what you normally do?
Yeah,
so
they have them to come and do people's makeup for red carpets, and I'm always I will do my own face, thank you.
Really?
Yeah.
So you put yourself in A tier.
It's true. I don't let anyone else touch my face.
Yeah, I know. I can't blame you, to be honest. I mean, I let you do it when you told me to Mike Wazowski.
Yeah.
And that was enough.
I feel really privileged.
I was, yeah. I did feel like that. I do know this one because they've got all the adverts. It's Maybelline.
To be fair, Maybelline's they got good mascara. I use the mascara. That's about it.
Do you?
Yeah.
So that's all.
They got good lip glosses and stuff, but I wouldn't be
Well, in terms
oh my
of
god, I'm not dying over every single Maybelline.
In terms of importance to you, where would you put it?
I would say C because I actually cannot go without using the mascara. It's the Falsies waterproof, if anyone's wondering. It's so good, so good.
Wow, look at you. Hashtag gifted.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Oh, not sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored, but it's really good. So.
But hopefully, if you email her, email the management, get it sorted. I hate the font of this.
This is Addison Rae's makeup brand. Just destroyed the
Addison.
possibilities of having Addison on the
Yeah, cool, because that is there. But to be fair, maybe one day I could just ask you. You can get me Billie Eilish. You can get me Addison Rae.
Could I think everyone slates this brand?
Well, that's because it's Addison Rae.
Because it's Addison Rae, but the products actually slap. I'm not gonna lie. Some of them, I'd say 50%. They got good lip gloss.
I've been round your house. I've seen that PR packages you have just from all of these companies.
I get a lot of PR packages. Yeah, I don't keep much of it.
No, just straight in the bin.
No.
Did Addison's Rae stuff stay? Oh, you give it away?
Always.
Okay. Oh, you give it away.
Okay.
Well, why have I not been offered any yet?
You're welcome to come and take it if you want. Please take it off my hands. I'm begging you.
How many do you get sent? Do you get sent you must get stuff all the time?
It depends on the season because Halloween definitely it gets fucking crazy.
It gets mental.
People send so much stuff, but I'd say maybe 1 to 3 packages a day.
For us, to be honest, that's not. That's actually that's a lot a day.
Yeah, because there'll be full collections as well, and then I have to
Fucking hell.
I can't keep all of it.
What about Kylie?
Kylie. I don't know. I feel like they had their moment.
Wow, Kylie Jenner.
I don't really use much of their stuff. The lip kits everyone was like mad about.
I mean, they got a great
the
reality show.
beginning.
They don't need it really.
Yeah.
They got enough money.
I don't know. I don't really use Kylie, to be honest.
No, she's the.
Nothing against Kylie.
Was she the first woman billionaire, or was that the other one?
Yeah, self-made.
Self-made billionaire. Yeah, that's the one. For sure.
I'm sorry, Kylie. I don't really.
D tier. Wow, it's getting low.
Yeah. I don't...
Oh,
no, it could go in the middle actually.
Oh. Is Kylie Jenner on the same
make
level?
The decision for me,
Is Kylie Jenner on the same level as Addison Rae? No.
This was not my decision.
No, that's my decision. I personally believe that Addison, if it was me, Addison, I'd put you in A tier. Call me.
Well,
I'll
see how it is.
What about Benefit? I have no idea who this. I have no idea who any of these are.
Really?
No.
You never been to like Debenhams and seen Benefit?
Do I look like I'm in Debenhams a
I
lot?
don't know. Benefit. They've got good eyebrow stuff.
Yeah, no, I don't need anything. I've been told that I have envious eyebrows, actually. That's what somebody told me. I can't remember who it was, but somebody did say it, I swear. I'm not just making that up. People like my eyebrows. I plucked them once before. That was
good
painful.
Eyebrows.
Thank you.
I remember when did them for you.
You did when you got rid of them, basically.
Yeah.
That was fucking terrifying. There's nothing strange when somebody comes into your flat and goes, goodbye eyebrows, they glue them away. But you did do that. Rem Beauty.
Is that this is the Ariana Grande one, right?
Oh, is it?
I got sent it, but I haven't actually tried the stuff. So I can't give too much opinion.
Give it to me then. I'll try
Your
it.
decision.
There you go. Ariana Grande, call me. And there you go. Okay. Okay, get in there.
Yeah.
Straight at the top. I love Ariana Grande. What's this one? Colourpop.
Colourpop.
Not much colour in that logo, though.
One of my I would say top 3 brands for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I stand Colourpop. I use the lip liners every single day. Honestly, not a bad product.
So you're going A?
Yeah.
You're going A tier.
A tier Colourpop slaps.
Right at the top, look at that. This one I actually have seen. Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Yeah, I've got to say. Also in my top 3 brands.
Oh, really? It goes right at the top as well. Look at that. Incredible.
It's getting full up at that top.
It is. How do you feel about the list so far?
It's looking pretty good, but
there's some
the bottom
space
one's
here.
lacking.
Yeah, fuck you. Sorry, no, I don't mean that. I don't mean that at all.
It wasn't Alex.
Now, you don't know anything about footballers or anything, but this one might be more
Absolutely.
down your roots.
Okay.
Victoria Beckham. Do you not know who Victoria Beckham is?
Yeah, I know Victoria Beckham, but I didn't know she had makeup.
Of course they do. It's the Beckham family. They have everything.
I feel like it's probably not good. I feel like it's probably celebrity tries to make makeup brand.
Yeah,
just
I bet.
for the sake of making a makeup brand.
Yeah, probably.
I'm sorry, Victoria. I haven't tried it.
Oh wow, down with Kylie Jenner.
Yeah, I'm sorry if it's good. Yeah,
but no, Abby Roberts doesn't care.
Not for me.
No. Well, here we go. Well, moving on very quickly from that one. Urban Decay.
Urban Decay. I feel like they were really, really good. Back in the day when makeup first started taking off online.
They fell off.
It was everyone's first palette was the naked palette. And now I don't really use them too much.
Rimmel London.
Rimmel London.
Rimmel.
Rimmel.
How do you pronounce it?
I don't know, maybe it is.
Rimmel.
If I'm at super drunk and I desperately need something, then maybe I'll go to Rimmel, but I'm not gonna. It's not my first choice.
If you're in a panic. So you're saying D tier.
I think so.
There we go. Unlucky, guys. Unlucky.
Sorry,
Rimmel.
They're just a bit old as well. My grandma uses Rimmel. I'm not gonna lie.
Wow. No shade, Grandma.
No shades.
I'm
sure your grandma would love it.
I'm sure. Oh, Selena Gomez, Rare Beauty.
Yeah, I really like Rare Beauty. They made
I really like Selena Gomez.
a lot of accessible makeup products for people who have problems opening stuff. So
Problems opening stuff.
Yeah.
What, like me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Yeah.
Rare Beauty. It's
Brilliant.
pretty good.
Fantastic. Well, I know you're allergic, aren't you, to eyelash glue, aren't you?
I am, unfortunately.
So do any of these people help with it?
None of them.
Well, put them all in E2 then.
Only my eyelash glue.
Well,
I
is
don't
that on?
think
Is that on
I don't
here?
think he's in the.
Do we have Abby Roberts on here?
I think so.
I have no idea what this is.
Nyx is really good. Yeah. They used to do this like competition every year where they would get like influencers and stuff to do like special effects makeup and stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you know Mikey Glam and Gore? She was like one of the first winners of it.
That's cool.
Yeah, Nyx slaps. I don't know if they can fit on a.
Well, we
Right
could move
anymore.
one. We could move one.
The one you've never used, the brand.
I'll put them on B actually because I don't use them as much as I used to.
Okay,
but they're still pretty good. They're still a staple.
They could have been
Right.
pushed up
Yeah.
potentially. So, you know, I like you guys. What the fuck? I can't read.
YSL Beauty.
Oh, YSL. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I don't know. My mum uses the concealer, but I've never tried it.
Or do you rate your mum's makeup?
She does makeup, but she doesn't like do makeup. You know
Are
what I mean?
you dissing your mum?
No, my mum's great.
Put it in detail.
Yeah.
Wow. Well,
I would never like.
Mama
I don't
Roberts
think
will
I'd
be
ever buy it.
fuming. She'll be fuming when she sees that, to be fair, so
I'm sorry, mum.
be careful. Oh, here we go! I fucking love this cunt. It's Jeffree Star! He's my favourite. I love him. Oh,
He's like got a yak farm now.
he's fucking
Isn't
insane, Abby. That's what he is.
Yeah.
He's a nut job.
I'm actually glad that I don't think he knows who I am.
I think we must put it in A tier because if we don't, we will be dead in a week.
Please,
So,
please put it in A tier.
Goodbye.
I don't want anything.
I hope he doesn't see this because I do. I fear him. I fear him like the wrath of God. Absolutely terrified of that.
I
fucking
feared
man.
him up until the point that he moved away and now just has a yak farm and
That means he's even more unhinged. That
I
means
don't know
that
what he's doing now.
he could feed you to his yaks and you'd never be found ever again. You know when people feed dead
It's
bodies to
true.
pigs. A bit of a twist from that. We got L'Oreal.
Standard. Pretty good. Yeah.
C tier.
C tier.
Get
Yeah.
in C tier. There we go. Well, we got the final three here, Abby.
Yes.
Are you ready? Let's see what we have available. Oh no, we got L'Oreal on it twice.
Okay.
Oh, goodbye. Goodbye,
L'Oreal.
L'Oreal. Fucking get rid of you. And it's
Just
gone.
hating it.
It's fucking gone. Mac. I've
Mac?
actually used this before.
Yeah. Mike's pretty good. Again, they kind of like fell off a little bit, I think.
So
They were like at Urban Decay.
would you put them kind of
But they're
around?
still good.
Would you put them around C,
I would say, yeah,
CB tier?
C tier, yeah.
I reckon they go probably around there.
Yeah.
What do you think so far of your? What do you think of your list?
I think this is pretty accurate, but I'm scared that Kylie's going to think I'm disrespecting him.
Well, you've put Kylie next to Jeffree Star.
You put Kylie next to Jeffree Star.
Sure, yeah, I did.
Correction.
Actually. Yeah, that was me actually. Okay, well, thank you so much, Abby. I hope you enjoyed tier list.
Fabulous.
Another controversial day on the tier list.
Can't wait to lose all my partners.
All right, let's
Just
go
kidding.
back to watch the end of the show.